Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Offroad Outlaws. And today, yes, I know it's been a while, but today we are doing my Bronco, which doesn't squat, it's just soft suspension. Only goes about 27 in first, 100 miles an hour top speed. But I built this Bronco. It is a SnowRunner mod. That's for console. Well, it's a different one for console and PC. I decided to try to make it an Offroad Outlaws. It's by Invalid Redneck. And, yeah, Top Truck Challenge, which I am building a map for it, so stay tuned for that. But yeah. So, I know it's been a while, so I just want to make this video of, taking the Bronco through there and my truck over there. Right there. But yeah, let's get through it. So in SnowRunner, that has maximum of 4 gears. But it does beast in first. Low gear does pretty well in mud. And we're gonna do this. Let's hope not to flip it. Now we're just do that. Do a nice wash off to it. But I probably will do dark rims on this with heavy duty axles, I just want to get like a nice close up shot of, off-roading it. Crawling, I guess. Kinda mad. Yeah, since it does sit, pretty low, it does have its disadvantages of, hitting stuff with the bumper, Saying you know a lot, but whatever. Probably don't know, but yeah. But whatever. Saying you know too much. But this is a bit shorter. We're gonna send her in fourth gear. Ooh. Yeah. 60 tops in fourth. 105th. Yeah, it's my own truck night map. And, so now we're gonna do Offroad, which I don't know. I mean, in Offroad Outlaws, but what model this truck is. I don't know what year model, but it's probably an F-150 or so. But basically, I don't know what I'm gonna RP this out as. Probably just an F-150 with LS swap in it. But yeah, let's go. It says a lot, a huge, bigger top speed because it's not an automatic. It's because it's not an automatic. It's an automatic, not because it's in the manual. Sorry. You can see I kind of did it before, but it was just a test run before I decided to film the video. Oh, come on, the LS swapper. Hey man, you little LS swapped F-150. Just gonna safely go down there. Hit the grill a few times, yeah, because it doesn't have a bumper. Probably does need heavy duty axles, but I don't really care. Ooh. Even added detail is the handle right there. Wish this thing was a long bed, because if it was a long bed, I would definitely act it out as a 350 or make a 350 version of a long bed. I like the 350s. I like the 97 Ford F350 OBS style. Very specific. Can't speak. Ooh. Come on. Put on low gear. Nope. Ain't doing it. There we go. Hit it at an angle. Or hit it with speed. This thing gets up to speed a lot better. But yeah, guys, so I guess this is the end of the video, and make sure, well, just remember to subscribe and like, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.